We have put together a video of the 5 best SUP paddles on the market. So, let's get started with the video to find the best one for you. Number 1, most popular. SUP Supply 3-piece adjustable stand-up paddle. This SUP paddle by SUP Supply is durable and strong while being lightweight due to its aluminum alloy shaft and polypropylene blade. Its light, at 2.2 pounds, makes it comfortable for most paddlers at all levels of experience. The paddle handle features a comfortable ergonomic design that can be adjusted from 67-inch to 85. The grip is smooth and easy to hold onto for long paddleboarding sessions. All SUP Supply paddles float in fresh or salt water. This paddle is also available in 2 other colors. Number 2. BPS Adjustable 2-piece SUP Paddleboard Paddle. This paddle was designed by Bulletproof Surf to be in their high-performance line, with a carbon shaft, composite fiberglass, nylon blade, and a durable handle made with strong carbon fiber. The paddle length is easily adjusted to the size of the paddler and stays tightly locked in place. At its longest length, it reaches 2,150 mm, 85 inches, suitable for taller paddlers. For shorter users, the length can be adjusted to 1,760 mm, 69 inches. Unfortunately, this paddle does not come apart for traveling and storage. Number 3. Abahub Carbon SUP Paddle. The Abahub Adjustable Carbon Fiber SUP paddle is one of the more colorful paddles in our video. The Abahub paddle comes with a 3K carbon fiber shaft and a fiberglass polypropylene blade that is not only light but strong. It's a 3-piece paddle that adjusts from 67 to 86, 170 cm to 218 cm, and is suitable for paddlers from 5 to about 6 feet 8 inches tall. It's available in 5 models, all offer a carbon shaft with either a nylon blade or carbon fiber blade. Blade sizes range from 91 square inches to 98 square inches. Number 4. South Bay Board SUP Paddleboard Paddle. The South Bay paddle is made with a lightweight carbon fiber shaft for strength and durability. The blade is made from a nylon composite that is light and strong. The handle has been designed to be ergonomically correct, providing maximum comfort for long periods of paddling. The longest piece is only 31 inches, 167 centimeters, making it easy to carry to and from the water or fit in the trunk of your vehicle when taken apart. It is ideal for general use for beginners as well as the more advanced stand-up paddleboarder for paddling all day. Number 5. Isle Surf and SUP Stand-Up Paddle. The Isle Surf SUP paddle was designed from the ground up to be the lightest, strongest SUP paddle. Weighing in under 2 pounds, 1.9, it's among the lightest SUP paddles on the market. This is a 2-piece adjustable SUP paddle that can be adjusted in length from 67 to 84 inches, 170 to 213 centimeters. The Isle Surf and SUP comes in 5 models, everything from a 1-piece 100% carbon fiber paddle to one with a carbon fiber shaft with a strong, lightweight nylon blade.
For more details, click the link in the description. Thanks for watching the video.